square. We think smarter to simplify your life at work.
Mike is working on the maintenance of an industrial vehicle. And Tim, who has no information about this process, climbs up the vehicle to perform his task. Tim would have rolled the vehicle over Mike as he could not notice Mike working below the massive machine. This can be prevented by informing the machine operator before starting the maintenance and by taking charge of the access key yourself. Also use relevant barricades and signages at the work area to create awareness of workers' existence. To avoid fatalities, always inform your co-workers before undertaking maintenance of the same machine. Always perform lockout tagout systematically.